Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make gummy bears frozen. First, gather your favorite gummy bears. You'll need a baking sheet and some parchment paper. Lay the parchment paper on the baking sheet. This prevents the gummies from sticking. Make sure you have enough space in your freezer for the tray. This process is incredibly simple and yields a delightful snack. Now, carefully arrange your gummy bears on the parchment-lined baking sheet. It's crucial to spread them out so they are in a single layer and not touching each other. If they touch, they might freeze into one big clump, which isn't ideal. Once they are all neatly arranged, place the entire tray into your freezer. Let them freeze for at least 1 hour to achieve the perfect texture. After about 1 hour, your frozen gummy bears are ready to enjoy. They will be much firmer than their unfrozen counterparts, offering a satisfyingly chewy and cool experience. These are especially refreshing on a warm day or as a unique dessert. If you don't eat them all at once, simply transfer the remaining frozen gummies to an airtight container and store them back in the freezer for future enjoyment. Here are a few extra tips for your frozen gummy bear adventure. If you prefer a slightly less firm chew, simply let them sit out at room temperature for a few minutes before indulging. Don't be afraid to experiment with other types of gummy candies, like worms or rings, to discover new frozen textures. And speaking of fresh experiences, life's too short for a stinky car. Check the description below for a link to grab Little Tree's black ice and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.